Hello everyone, today I will show how the Uber driver app operationalizes usability here. So let's start from the definition and frameworks. While ISO 9241 usability is achieving specified goals with some effectiveness, efficiencies, and satisfactions in the context, usable must also be useful. Actual task support also anchors to four crystals, the new system heuristics, the two goals, execution and evaluation, bridge where some input and output align to some mental models, LFR pillars, learnability, flexibility, robustness, and HTA hierarchical task analysis to expose blockers. Then let us go to the two illustrations. Firstly, a metrical queue keeps fair and balance visible. The visibilities and the recognitions rather than the recall, and also an emote app. Falls back from the Bluetooth to quick response code unlock and locks offline, so shows the flexibilities and the robustness. Now let's talk about the case setup with the HTA. The Uber faced some legacy issues. The feature crashing, discoverability gaps, weak network reliability, and we reframe the driver journey along the HTA. First go online, and then error accept, then error navigate, error drop off, and then error review earnings, making the status legible. Then here are four interventions put up. Firstly, real-time earnings plus the privacy. At a glance current, daily, weekly earning with a privacy toggle. Visibility and users control, time to check the false. Secondly, status bar plus the opportunity navigations. High demanded areas in real-world terms with some one-tap routines shrinks the gulf of executions. Recognitions over recall lowers the decision load. Thirdly, offline or weak network, plus the one-tap messages, queue offline, reconcile online, stacking traffic, one tap, and the error prevention and recovery. Robustness under these constraints. Firstly is the card-based RA and consistency. Consolidated cards for notifications, profile, earnings, and controls, stronger learnabilities, and faster scanning, narrow gulf of executions. Drivers can see how they are doing without inferences. And then let's validate in three passes. Firstly, heuristics review, 3 to 5 evaluators, and HTA workflow, usability testing, 5 to 8 users, and go or no go before launch. First time completion in 60 seconds or less, and critical task failures less than 10%. Satisfaction at least 4 out of 5. And then read through the framework. Nielsen is visibility. Status visibilities, real-world match and recognitions, also control and error preventions. The two goals narrow because both what to do next and how I am doing is legible. LFR is satisfied, showing learnable cards, flexibility passes, robust fallbacks. And then the closing triangle is in the method. Status to the actions and then to the feedbacks and then back to the status. When status is readable, the next action is available and feedback close to the loop in the moment. Usability becomes measurable performances, then shorter task times, failure is decline, and also satisfaction can improve. So that's our presentation. Thanks for listening.